Let me tell you how a $7 product has made me hundreds of dollars and is still generating more and more dollars. Now, let me tell you how it happened. So, it was my husband's birthday and I wanted to gift him something special. I wanted the gift to be intentional, customized, personalized, and special. And I started to do my research and I found this beautiful gift idea. It is a DIY gift box that you can build and personalize. And I decided to go for that gift box. One of the reasons I decided to go for this gift box was that it was going to take a lot from me. Let me tell you what I mean. I am a visual learner. So if you give me an instruction manual, right, my brain freezes immediately. My first reaction is brain freeze. Okay. So think of, all the whole shelves or IKEA products that comes with manuals. Immediately I lay a hold on that manual, my brain shuts down. So I am a visual learner because if I watch you build it, I am going to do exactly what you have done and possibly even way better. So I am a visual learner. And then this box came with a manual and would require me building the box with the manual. So you can imagine what it was taking from me already. My husband, on the other side, is the meticulous builder. He's very good with maps, instruction manual. It excites him. That's like his zone. This is also a sign that we are meant for each other, right? Okay, so that's by the way. And I knew that this was going to take a lot from me, right? But I decided to go for it because why not? Plus, I was looking forward to the end results. And so I decided to get the gift box and it was time to build. And of course, I had anxiety. Not just because it had an instruction manual, which I totally had no idea what was happening there, but because it was also supposed to be a surprise gift. Now, how am I supposed to execute this for a couple of days in the same house with my husband? Yes, I know while he's at work, I could do it at home, right? But it's not as easy as it sounds because the dynamics of this household, you have to really be strategic with executing any surprise move, right? So it was quite, I had anxiety as to how am I supposed to build this and also keep it a secret. And well, I figured out a way to execute that. However, I also know that my husband would also be curious to know how I ended up building the box, especially because it is something that I have to build with a manual, right? And so I thought to video the process. I thought to document the process. So after I gift him the gift, I will then show him the video as to how I secretly executed it, where I executed it and all that. Especially with the whole drama around where to hide it, where to keep it, all those things. So it was going to be an interesting story to tell and to show him. So I thought to document this. While building this box, I also needed help. I went on YouTube. I tried to figure out, who have done something similar so that I could, draw help from, whoever has created something like this and figure out and put in my own touch, of course. I saw a couple of videos, but while I was doing all the research and execution, I was videoing the process. Plus, I have a YouTube channel, right? So yes, I built it, did all the whole thing. It took about like maybe 3 or 4 days to get all that settled in. I liked the process. I loved the personal touch and I gifted him the box. And yes, I'm happy he appreciated it. I was happy with the end results and I am still happy, of course, with the end result and, the whole process and execution. It was really a beautiful moment, right? And sure, he wanted to see how I did that with his permission and, proper editing to take out, personal information and all. I could then put this video on YouTube. Now, guess what? After 1 year, guys, 1 year later, This video is like one of the most watched video on my channel. It's not about the amount of view, but the impact. I have gotten lots of thank you. I have gotten lots of, this is the best explosion box tutorial. You are a savior. You have helped me. Thank you for this video. I wouldn't have done it without you. Guys, I have gotten a lot of positive comments and affirmation and thank yous from this one video, and you can imagine how it made me feel. Of course, I am happy. I am happy that I am able to also help somebody. I am happy that I am able to solve a problem. Remember, I said I am a visual learner, right? I can imagine that there are a lot of people like me that will need this exact tutorial, that will need this exact video. And so this has given me a lot of fulfillment, because at the end of the day, that is really my aim of this channel. My desire for this channel is that anyone that comes to this space would live better than how they came. So you are either entertained, informed, empowered, enriched. You will have to live better than how you came. So you can imagine the fulfillment this comment has given to me. And you know what? The cherry on top of the cake is that I get paid for this video. I have earned way over the amount that I used to buy this explosion box. And I am still earning, guys. Like, if this is not your sign, I really don't know what it is. I really don't know what it is. I have even made a video on how you can literally start your YouTube channel, right? I have made a video, especially for mothers, stay-at-home mothers. I made a video dedicated to you on how you can, start your content creation. And if you are of the opinion or decision that you do not want to put your family out there, I respect that. And there are ways that you can do that. I have shared that also on my YouTube channel. If this is not enough sign, I don't know what it is, right? So please, just start your YouTube channel. And like I always say, always create on the side of evergreen videos. This one video, of course, I am not going to tell you how much I have earned, but trust me, it is bringing in hundreds and hundreds of euros, because that is my currency. But yeah, dollars too. So this is your sign. Pick up your phone. I am using my phone for now. Pick up your phone and start creating, start impacting. Because if you do not say it, how will you help? If you do not show it, how will you help? If you do not say it, how will you impact, right? It could be awkward, I agree. But then again, just keep trying and it gets better one content at a time. I am sharing this video as a sign for you to start your own YouTube channel. If you have been having doubts or reluctant or thinking about how to start your YouTube channel, this is your sign. So yes, this is my story, and I hope that this is enough conviction and sign for you to pick up your phone and start creating content. I am going to be attaching a YouTube checklist for anyone that is thinking of how to start, where to start from. I am going to be attaching a YouTube checklist for you to pick up for free, of course, and start. I'm also going to be attaching a 30 days YouTube creation planner for you to get yourself started, at least to help you know how and what to start with. Most importantly, I will be happy to help. I'll be happy to answer your question. Just let me know how I can help. And yes, that is my story. Oh, one more thing. Guess what? I also have an Amazon storefront where I have linked that specific box. Also, click on the Amazon link in the description to get the explosion box. So yes, that is it. Just start. This is your sign. Start now. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Yours truly, Princess.